So if you hold any crypto, if you are a crypto owner, there's probably a variation on this question that you ask yourself pretty much any given day right now. And you've been asking yourself for, quite frankly, a large part of 2024. And that question is, are we out of trouble yet? That question is, are we home free? When are we going to start making those really great crypto profits? And I want to talk to you about that in this video and kind of give you my 2 cents and what I think we're going to see as we are, here today and kind of looking forward and moving forward in the near future and into the remainder of 2025. So if you haven't already done so, please hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and all the top cryptos in this video. And if you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. So here's what it comes down to. Look, the question, are we out of trouble? In my opinion, the short answer is yes, mostly. Look, there's always risk in owning any crypto stock, bond, mutual fund. There's always risk. Everybody talks about risk. And what is risk? It means you could lose your investment. And the to me, that always factor of risk of owning in this scenario crypto is really not about crypto itself. It's really about uncertainty on the global financial stage. And what I mean by that is global financial events or events that impact the financial markets, possibility of a nuclear detonation somewhere. And we've always got seem to have that. Russia, Ukraine, the Middle East. There's always that low grade tension or threat there, right? And there's obviously other financially oriented, issues out there. China, what's going to happen with them? Emerging nations, blah blah blah. Right, and so that's the risk. I mean, that's things we can't control, and you can't do anything about that. So yeah, I think there's always risk, but bottom line, are we home free yet? Are we out of trouble? I think for the short term, yes, and I think for the mid to long term, for the remainder of 2025, yes. I think the stage is set. Uh, it's ready to go for what is arguably going to be one of the biggest bull runs ever. And it seems to have been kind of delayed, right? We thought it was going to happen in October, November of 2024. That didn't transpire. I think there was uncertainty. People were looking at, the U.S. presidential election, who was going to win there, or what's going to be the regulatory stance and the overall stance of the United States and their government on crypto. Is it going to be pro, positive, negative, blah? Oh my God, all this, right? We dealt with that in October, November. We had one little pretty significant, blip move up, if you will, around the election itself when Trump got elected. Yeah, but then it obviously died down. We ended down about 3 or 4% on Bitcoin when we really should have been up in the month of December because of previous Bitcoin halving years. December's always been a very good month in 2020, 2016, respectively. So it's been this kind of 2-step forward, 1-step back thing that we've been doing. We've been doing this dance now for a while, really 2023, and a large part of 2024. Why? Well, again, from a government standpoint, from the United States standpoint, we were operating in a scenario of where crypto was being attacked. I think a concerted, coordinated attack between mainstream media, the government, all this kind of stuff, the SEC. Well, all that's about to change because we are entering into an era where, from the presidency all the way to Congress, we have a pro crypto ecosystem, if you will. Pro crypto legislation is coming. And I saw a tweet the other day that Congress better be ready for, quote, shock and awe on Trump's first day because of all the executive orders that he's going to do. And again, with Elon and Vivek, what they're going to do as far as all that with the DOGE, Department of Governmental Efficiency, this is going to be get your popcorn because this is going to be an amazing show to watch that starts on January 20th. So back to the underlying question. Are we home free and ready to make profits? I think the short answer is yes. I'm a glass half full kind of guy. Always protect yourself and have a plan for your crypto profits. But look, if you're looking at 2024, not a great year. If you're looking at 2025, I think it's going to be an amazing year. I think we got everything I've just said in this video. And oh, by the way, a lot of other things that I probably haven't even mentioned, right? There's always going to be risk owning crypto. And I think the reason people say crypto is riskier than say stocks is, in my opinion, because of volatility. There's much bigger swings in crypto. A crypto will move 20% up or down in a given day. That doesn't happen as much in the stock world, right? It just doesn't. It's just viewed as riskier. And I know there's certain sectors that say it's a scam and all that crap. And again, I think that's part of the attack plan that was the narrative that we've been dealing with for the last 4 years. Because that's it. For the last 4 years, we've been dealing with this horrific environment, an environment that was really trying to kill crypto. And now we have a completely brand new opportunity that's facing us. So, I think this is good stuff. I think we've got a lot. So I think, yes, cautiously optimistic, right? We are home free and ready to make profits. That's how I feel. That's what I think. And that's what I see as I look out. So, yeah, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Thanks.